Hello, what's up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we have a nice one here. We have the Porsche 911 Dakar colored in shade green metallic right here. A very long color name and also a very interesting one. So if we see on the left right here on the box, pretty much matches the theme of the color, the car's color, which is the shade green metallic whatsoever. And yeah, we have the Mini GT logo right there. And then on the right side, of course, we have the matte gray box as per usual, 911 Dakar shade green metallic. And over on the top, you have the number for this 911 Dakar, which is 780. There's you. That's your website and also your socials right there. Yeah, pretty much empty on this side, and also Mini GT on this side. Over on the bottom right here, yeah, ages 14 and up. There are your warnings, blah blah blah, your hazards, and yeah, basically that's it. Over on the back, TSM model, Porsche, licensed by TSM, and also Porsche official licensed product. Porsche 911 Dakar shade green metallic right hand drive. There's your barcode, and guess without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, Dakar. About that, I believe I've never gone a off-road sort of Mini GT car before. I actually have another one of these, actually, the 911 Dakars, but I'm gonna save that for another time, because I'm not gonna put both of them together, as that's basically a different Dakar compared to this one that has an iconic livery actually. This one on the other hand is just a plain regular paint job for a 911 Dakar, and yeah, I really do like it. Here it is, the shade green metallic Porsche 911 Dakar. Love the color right here that it comes with. Overall nice, with the details of the bag right there. We will talk about that with the roof rack right there. That is neat. Front details and rear details are just splendid. Let's go ahead and take a close look at it on our turntable first. Here is our Porsche 911 Dakar. Of course, this is not our first time seeing a 911 Dakar, as I've reviewed a Hot Wheels regular mainline Porsche 911 Dakar in my previous video, with actually a Lamborghini Huracan Storado actually in my Hot Wheels unboxing with the Porsche 911 Dakar. Oops, it's not staying in the center. There it is. Oops. Yeah, so this is the Porsche 911 Dakar. Nice looking color right here. We have shade green metallic. So yeah, quite a unique name and also a unique style of color. I would personally think that this color is sort of like a grayish green sort of color, but I wouldn't expect it to be shade green. But yeah, by looking at it, it doesn't really like go close to green that much, but still it is called that way. And sometimes Porsche actually names it that way, so we cannot really judge whether the color's name is like that or not. Basically, Mini GT just follows whatever the car manufacturers say for these colors, and well, pretty much they would have to obey what they say, or else, well, yeah, it will cause some issues, especially when it comes to licensing approvals and all. But yeah, shade green metallic, that is an interesting color name. I didn't even know a car would have something like this type of color, but yeah, it is more to a grayish near green, slight green sort of color, which is neat, I would say. Oh yeah, it's full metallic, by the way. Very, very clean. Love the details of the car right here from top to bottom. Of course, from the top, you have some extra details since it's a Dakar casting. Of course, you get like a special set of luggage on the top, and of course with that comes in a roof rack, of course, for the car, since of course this is a Dakar. And yeah, it's more to an off-road rally style car, basically for, well, terrain, jungle, and also I guess off-road deserts, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, something like that. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a close look at our 911 Dakar. So here it is, based off of a regular 911 Carrera, and it has been basically transformed into more of like a Dakar rally style car right here, with massive rear wheels and front wheels right here. You can see we have 5-spoke rims with sort of like a silver outer barrel right there, which is nice. Rubber tires right there, which is neat. What else? You do have the clean side view of the car right here. Door handle, you do have your side mirrors right here, which are plastic and also rubber, by the way. Better beware of that. And also you have this like a detailed it's supposed to be a side step, right? I think it's it should be a side step for this car. So it's sort of like colored in a liquid silver sort of color right here at the bottom, which is nice. Very cool. I believe this is the gas cap right here on the front, which is quite accurate, I think. Here's the front tires right there, which is nice. Over on the front right here, you do have your circular headlights right here on both sides, slightly tinted, which is interesting. So for the hood right here, you can see that you have the Porsche logo or Porsche badge, and of course you do have your double like hood intake right here to cool down the engine. Over here you do not have any front license plate or anything. You do have sort of like a tow hook, I think that's colored in red. Kind of seems like a tow hook right here in red. And you have some vents, of course, which is nice. And then you do have more to like this liquid silver like plate at the bottom right here again. Not sure what they call this, but sort of like a plate. It's interesting, pretty much similar to the one that I showed just now. And the hood, yeah, very clean and also very nice. Love to see the hood like this. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out dashboard, right hand drive, very cool. Nice detail for the interior. Over on the roof here, like I mentioned just now, you do have a plastic, I think, plastic blacked out roof rack right here, colored in black. Roof rack is basically the one holding the bags right here, colored in black, which is basically above the what do you call that? Basically above the roof of the car, which is nice. And then you do have your luggage or carrying bags or whatever you want to call it. You do have some of your equipment as well. You do have your oil for basically oil change right there, oil tanks right there, which is nice, colored in sort of like a tan cream sort of color, which is great, and some in white. Over on this side, yeah, pretty much the same thing, nothing much of a difference, but still very neat and very nice. So rear window right there, very nice as well. Some vents right here for the back for the engine, which is nice. Then you do have your tiny little rear spoiler right here, which is sort of like a matte black. Not sure, yeah, it's metal. Sort of like a matte black rear spoiler right here. You do have your brake lights, and then you do have your massive rear lights right here. It says Porsche in the middle, and then it says 911 Dakar right there. Very nice looking rear lights right here. 911 Dakar again. You do have some more lights at the back right here. And you do have your exhaust tips at the bottom here as well. And also some more liquid silver parts right here at the back, which is nice. And over on the bottom right here, So it says Mini GT, oh yeah, metal matte black base. Mini GT made in China, 2023 Porsche 911 Dakar, used under license. So yeah, it is quite a unique model, I would say. A very, very nice looking 911 Dakar for you to collect, especially Porsche fans, Porsche lovers out there that really do like Porsches, no matter whether it's the Dakar, the GT3, the GT3 RS, the GT3R, all tons of 911s, 997s, Carreras, what else? Yeah, 964s, there are a ton more. But yeah, a great model to have in your collection if you're a Porsche fan as well. Love the shade green metallic on this one. Very, very nice model to have in your collection, no matter you have a Porsche collection or no matter you collect rally cars. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Porsche 911 Dakar in shade green metallic, made by Mini GT. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.